Welcome to the video tutorial of Junction Management category of Smart Network. In water projects, pipe network data is prepared with the help of land surveying data or using Google Earth or GIS software. You have to prepare the drawings generated to be used in hydraulics design software. Then convert that into CADD drawing. The proper way of providing input to hydraulic design software is by drawing polylines from junctions to junction. You can create a junction drawing using set of commands provided under the junction category of Smart Network. JNJN Command. Run JNJN Command or select from Junction Management Submenu under Smart Network menu in ESurvey Water Main menu. Select all network polylines, and then the program will split all polylines at each intersection of polylines and save a new polyline in the junction layer. Also, the program will insert a block named ES_junction at all intersections. 3DBR command. In water projects, if the network data from survey is available as 3D polyline, dividing the 3D polyline using PEDIT command is highly time-consuming. Run 3DBR command and select network, which has 3D polyline, then the program will break 3D polylines at every intersection. STPH command. Finding the shortest path between two points is difficult when we have multiple polylines in the network. There will be a number of possible routes between 2 points. Working on shortest path between 2 points will save considerable cost in project execution in many projects. Keep all the polylines of the network in the path layer. Run STPH command and select all network lines and specify any 2 points in the network. The program will create a new polyline of shortest route between selected points and save that in the short path layer. JNJN Command. You can number the junction randomly, or you can follow a logic to number the junctions. You can manually assign numbers to junctions with logic, but doing that way will take a lot of time. You can use the JNJN command to accomplish the junction numbering faster. JNJN command will automatically number the junction with specific logic. Keep all the polylines representing pipe in the pipe layer. Run JNJN command and select polylines representing main line, and then select all other pipelines. Give a prefix for junction name and mention junction start number. The program will do numbering for the first point in the main line. Then it will number all other junctions connected to the first point and its connected junctions. Then it will assign the following number to the next point of the main line. It will keep numbering in this logic till the last point of the main junction line and its connected junctions. This technique of numbering the junction helps users to save considerable time in numbering junction. In the following video, you will learn how to work with alignments in your water network project. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on +9 19 449 599 or book online demonstration through our website www.esurveying.net.